Five subtraction. What problems we are doing, that is exercise 5C. Question 6, 7, 8 we will do today. But before that, please strike out question number 9 and 10. It is not in your syllabus, so we will not do this sum. So today let us start the class and everyone get ready with the book, page number 32, question number 6, 7 and 8 we will do it. So everyone get ready with the book and the math CW copy and let us start the class. Question number 6. What should be subtracted from 4,87,548 to get 2,88,067? This type of sum we have done it in the last class. Same type of sum is there. So I told you, whenever this type of sum is there, no statement need to write, only do the subtraction and write the answer in statement. So in this sum we need to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So let us see how we are doing it. 4,87,548 minus 2,88,067. Let us do the subtraction first. 8 minus 7 is 1. 4 minus 6 we can't do, for that we need to borrow. 14 minus 6 is 8. 4 minus 0 is 4. 7 minus 8 we can't do, for that we need to borrow again. So 17 minus 8 is 9. 7 minus 8 we can't do, again we need to borrow. Now 17 minus 8 is 9. Again 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer we will write 1,99,481 should be subtracted. Okay everyone, let us move to the next sum. The sum of two numbers is 8,53,648. If one of them is 5,37,481, find the other number. Now first let us see how the statements we are writing. Sum of two numbers equal to 8,53,648. One of the number equals to 5,37,481. Now we need to find the other number. Now for finding the other number we need to subtract. Let us do the subtractions. 8 minus 1 is 7. 4 minus 8 we can't do, so we need to borrow one digit. 14 minus 8 we can do and it is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. Again 3 minus 7 we can't do, so we need to borrow. 13 minus 7 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 8 minus 5 is 3. So the answer we will write, the other number is 3,16,167. Clear everyone, I think. This sum is very important. Please practice it at home. Next, last sum of today. The cost of an oven is rupees 14,315 and the cost of a machine is rupees 39,800. Which cost less by how much? Now, which cost less? The machine cost more and the oven cost less. So, how much less, that we need to find by subtraction. Subtraction of the smaller number from the greater number. So, let us see how we are doing it. Cost of an oven equals to rupees 14,315. Cost of a machine equals to rupees 29,800. Therefore, which cost less? Oven cost less by, now we need to subtract, that means rupees 29,800 minus rupees 14,315. Now 0 minus 5 we can't do, we need to borrow, but the previous place is 0, so we move to 8. We will take one digit from 8 and accordingly we will place it in the next place. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So, oven cost less by rupees 15,485. So, the answer we will write, oven cost less by rupees 15,485. So here we finish the CW work of today. HW will be exercise 5C question 6, 7, 8. Do in the maths CW copy. So the CW and the HW work is clear to all. As you finish the HW work, please send me both the CW and HW at dphjhelpdesk@gmail.com for correction. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So everyone, stay healthy, stay at home, finish your work on time, study at home seriously, and bye-bye.